Thank you for the question, ma'am. So domestic violence is increasing, and it is the issue which we have been facing since ancient times. But since man is talking about the increase of domestic violence during this lockdown, first of all, I would like to mention the mental health of people during this lockdown. I myself became the type of depressed during this lockdown because there are very few people I could talk to, and so I think the increase of domestic violence is a result of mental pressure, or because we people have to talk, to express our feelings to different people. But during this lockdown, it has made us cut out with all our friends, families, relatives. We talk to them through mobile phones, but this does not connect us. This does not, flow through the bonds of us. So it made the people really pressured, and so I think domestic violence increased. But that's not the point. Because domestic violence, even though people are mentally pressured, they should not be, doing domestic violence because it is a crime. But because it's the people who are not educated, who thinks themselves as educated, but are not literate enough. They have grown physically stronger and bigger, but then their mentality is very low. Those are the people who increase domestic violence in our society. And as a youth, we need to decrease such evils in the society. So we need to empower each and every person. We need to empower especially the women to fight back for their rights, to fight for what they deserve and what they have. Thank you so much.
According to me, happiness is happiness to people, they come from different things. Some people get happiness through materialistic also. People get happy from features also, from family also, especially from me, my family. Happiness, we can get it from anywhere. Thank you.
Churona sarana bang solam thina karju panapa. La bangke ilitum bukan karju pana ilitum along laki juga tim na langsung kapreka tim do itum chini lo na solong itum bachini nang po itum bachit hang nang po itum Karbi Anglong long kala po ana nila changkelang me itum long langsung sa me do po itum kadu kabe birthday ada itum bachit hang po nang po ili uri ti me itum si itum bachit thona po ada itum kapreka adi malong sa me itum langsung long po na ti itum pada kamen earphone si itum bachit hang po nang po nono lo makai ki itum malong internet do Facebook do WhatsApp do sa me itum bachit hang orang ko amen baklang orang ko kapreka khai tum same aning bang sampai ni tum long ria long lahai kelang adim do mesen ko bachini ban ni tum long nang ko humri ban ko chui ban ani birthday bachit hang do bi family chiklem orang ji kardo
ni thang along refund lagi ni mesen mate Karbi Anglong mesen mate pendeng sumpot pen boy pit sitame me theng prang ke an se Karbi Anglong pan paklin mate an se ke pangthai mate ke sapha ahin nining ha pen an se Karbi Anglong akhai mani tu pendeng supporting thang phaji ning ha choro.
Thank you for your question. First of all, if I made a God, I will make a wish that we should all clean our environment. As due to this environmental problem, there are lots of diseases increases nowadays. So that's all. Thank you.
Congratulations to West of Terang for securing the best of the world. Congratulations, Manoj Shinki, for securing Mr. Best Talent Award. And as you can see, our Unit Board Chairman of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is presenting this award to Manoj Shinki. Manoj Shinki is all the way from Ronghangpi. And he is also Kajir, Ronghangpi, Terang Society, Auditorium, the program in the first runner-up. Congratulations on the team. As you can see, the check of rupees 10,000 to the first runner-up, and also he is receiving the trophy and also the tag, and this check is given to Hnase in loving memory of that Assam.